take off the wheels from a trailer and into the car. We're gonna bring them over to Rakstad Auto Center. They are going to take off the tires and we're gonna bring the wheels over to the sandblasting and we're gonna paint it. So we're gonna fresh up the wheels. The car is going to Oslo Motor Show in October, so I'm fresh, new, clean wheels. Maybe we are going to drive the Final Fight Power Drift at Gardermoen. So we did a little service on the car, but first deliver the wheels. Driver her da? Driver her? Det bra, eller?
Ja.
Flink til Anders. Stiller opp.
Ja. Som det pleier.
Tar du vare på de som sånn halvslitte, og så det veldig viktig at de her de må ta vare på. Hva så? Skal jeg sette på? So thanks to Anders at Mecca for taking off all the tires. This is all ready to go into sandblast tomorrow, I hope. We have tried one today and we need just to take and check another sand because this is, I don't know what you call it, but you can feel it very strong here. And I really don't know which color I want to choose on these wheels. So I have it into white, black, gold, maybe blue, I don't know, so give it over to sandblasting tomorrow and figure out which color we are going to use. So it's a new day. They are going to try to sandblast one wheel for me and check how it is. High five. So I have to say huge thanks to Borg Sandblåsing and Tony has done an amazing job on the wheels. And next up it's to Kjell Jansen for some powder paint. Nå må du rydde opp, sjef. Nå kommer jeg med mye jobb til deg. Hæ? Nå må du rydde opp. Nå kommer jeg med mye jobb til deg.
Oi. Det var skikkelig.
Ha det.
Ha det bra.
Frekas.
Ha det.
So the wheels are delivered to Kjell. He's a great guy. Super serious. He also paid in support for my engine a few years ago. So the results is every time perfect. Can't wait to see the results. Ooh, there they are. Fresh and white. Nei, det blir fint det. Helt konge. Takk for hjelpa. Da kommer jeg igjen etter å få sjekket prøva.
Det går bra.
Bra det. Ha det. So I think this was a better looking than I thought. So I think maybe we go for the white. But I'm not sure about this in black. I think we need to paint this in white. And I have ordered some TRD wheel caps from eBay, so we can take outside here. So what do you guys think about white wheels on my GT86? This looks sweet. I think it looks nice. Okay, I hope you guys enjoy this episode of me freshening up the wheels for GT86. I have to think if I go for the white or what I'm going to do. I think I'm going to go for the white, so I'm going to end today's vlog now, and I will see you guys next time. Goodbye.